Why are you angry? Say hi. Hi. Say hello. Hello. Oh, you're funny. Don't you like your book here? Look. What's that there? And what about here? What's that there? Ah, pretty. Yeah. Oh, look at you. You want to be a big reader like your mommy and daddy? Yeah? Or you want to eat the book? Ta-da! Oh. Pepper baby. Look at you. You're an expert. You're so tiny, but you can hold that book so well. What do you think? Give me your thesis. Yeah? Pepper baby. Say bye, Pepper. Okay, we'll take that as a bye. Bye-bye.